Hello and welcome to yet another video. You're watching Happy Diaries with me, your doctor and friend, Happy. So I've got absolutely no makeup on right now, but today I thought that while I get ready to run some errands, I'm going to take you with me. So let's do some quick and basic makeup क्योंकि मुझे बाहर जाना है ग्रोसरीज करने के लिए. फिलहाल टाइम हो रहा है दिन के 3 बजे and I'm gonna go get ready quickly, do some makeup and go out to do some groceries. So come watch the video with me. So while we do my makeup, I'm gonna talk about 2024 a little bit. So let's get started. I'm going to conceal first. ये गड्ढे जैसे आंखों को थोड़ा सा conceal कर लेते हैं. Okay, so you know what? कि 2024 की शुरुआत was really nice for me. मुझे अपने toxic पुराने कॉलेज से निकलना हुआ. I did get out of that. I was living in my comfort center. I moved out in a new place in Delhi. And yes, Delhi is my comfort center, but what interesting for me was that I gained some amazing friends this year. मुझे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त मिले इस साल में, and I really enjoyed some amazing moments with them. So through this video, if anybody of them is watching me, thank you guys. Okay, so moving on, conceal मैंने कर लिया है. As you can see, the dark patches are much better now. थोड़ा सा CC cream लगा लेते हैं. Okay, so 2024 did start with a good move, but then जैसे जैसे मैं धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ी, things just got really tragic for me. पहले मैंने अपनी फैमिली के एक मेंबर को खोया. उसके बाद मेरी खुद की लाइफ थोड़ी सी धीमी चल गई क्योंकि I was diagnosed with some serious illness which I'm still under medication for and about, but yes, I am battling with it, I am fighting with it, and I know that it's going to go away and I'm going to win. I'm going to get victory in this. I will be fine. But yes, 2024 के mid में क्या हुआ कि I myself fell ill and मेरी जिंदगी, as I said, थोड़ी सी धीमी पड़ गई. So I'm going to use an SPF compact. This is from Lakme. So क्या हुआ कि I'm not using loose powder right now. Usually मैं loose powder use करती हूँ, but this has got SPF, so more sun protection, the more the better. Okay. Coming back to what I was saying. So क्या हुआ कि 2024 then I gained some new friends. It was good. I was not well. It was bad. I lost one of my family members. It was bad. But you know what just shook me? Towards the end of 2024, यानी कि off lately, very recently, मैंने एक ब्लॉग भी डाला हुआ था. I went to my relative's place, which is 65 kilometers from Guwahati. It's a district called Dorong, and I went there for a really tragic thing, which I don't want to share because it's something personal. But yes, all I can say is I lost somebody from my family who's really close to my heart, and it is a tough pill to swallow. So that just moved me, shook me, because पहले तो जब मैंने ये खबर सुनी तो मुझे लगा कि I am just dreaming, maybe ये सच नहीं हो, but वो सच था. And why I'm saying repeatedly कि it shook me is because काफ़ी सारी गलतियाँ मैंने की है अपने लाइफ में, but इससे ज़्यादा realization मुझे किसी चीज़ में नहीं हुआ है, because जो गलतियाँ मैंने करी है to not keep my close ones close to me, अपने टाइम को सही से मैंने मैनेज नहीं करा एंड आई डिडंट गिव टाइम टू द पीपल आई शुड हैव गिवन टाइम टू. So that's a regret I'm going to carry with me for my entire life, trust me. So coming back to the makeup, I think that I'm quite done. इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. But one thing that I am not going to miss is my blush. अरे यार ब्लश भी नहीं मिल रहा है. Blush तो I got, but where's my... Ooh, let's adjust the camera first of all. Okay, तो मैं घर पे हूँ तो you know I cannot carry my tripod, I cannot carry my ring light, so I'm shooting with all that I have. So yeah. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया. I love this thing so much. Off lately ऐसा हो रहा है. ज़्यादा हो गया यार. Off lately ऐसा हो रहा है ना कि even if I don't put anything, the one thing that I'm surely going to put is blush. I love it. I love when I look pink. Okay, so coming back to 2024, ये सब realization होने के बाद I just have 5 to 6 days, hardly a week for 2025 to come. And right now I'm in the mid of my 20s, not in mid, I would say I'm 24 right now. So I'm in a very kashmakash wala situation because on one side I have dreams, I have vision, I have aspiration as to what I want to do ahead. But then again, I feel that I have so much less time in my hands to do the things, and that just makes me anxious. मेरे हिसाब से मुझे बस मन करता है कि अभी तुरंत I start early and I can look after my family independently, and that hustle bustle से दूर हटना चाहती हूँ मैं, and I want to see my family settle down on my shoes. But again, realization है, and let's see what happens. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed कि अगला साल जो होगा वो अच्छा होगा. इस साल में जो भी कुछ lessons I've learned, I'll apply it all in the coming year. And I'm not applying, by the way, coming back to the makeup, I'm not applying any eyebrow product or something. ये मेरा पुराना mascara है. I've got genetically beautiful eyebrows like my father, and I just brush my eyebrows with the spoolie क्योंकि मेरे travel makeup box में फिलहाल मेरा spoolie है नहीं. This is a dry mascara, so I'm gonna put this spoolie and run it through my eyebrows क्योंकि जो makeup products हैं वो लग जाते हैं eyebrows में. So I'm gonna remove that extra from my eyebrows, and yeah, I'm gonna brush it with this spoolie brush. So yeah, coming back again. Boring बातें तो नहीं कर रही हूँ ना मैं. I'm just sharing my experiences with you guys. So 2024 से मेरा expectation क्या है? 2025 से मेरा expectation क्या है? स्मैक का stroke cream थोड़ा सा गंदा हो गया है because I don't know, मेरा blush टूट गया था while I was coming back to Guwahati. Okay, coming back to the topic, 2025 से मेरे ये expectations है कि I just hope all the health and happiness to my family, to everybody who's watching me, and just hope कि सब healthy रहे, सब खुश रहे, जो जहाँ पे है वो वहाँ पे सही सलामत रहे. And I just wish the good for everybody right now because 2024 was really a hard year for me, and I don't know how I cope up with that, but अच्छे बुरे के बीच में साल निकल गया है. कुछ few last days are left, so I just want कि ये डेज अच्छे से जाए, जो लोग मुझसे कनेक्टेड है वो लोग हमेशा मुझसे कनेक्टेड रहे. आई वॉन्ट माई फ्रेंड्स टू डू वेल, आई वॉन्ट the people who are watching me to do well, I want my family to do well, I want myself to do well, and I just hope to God that this place becomes a better place to live. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा philosophical हो गया क्या? But जो recently मेरे साथ हुआ उसके बाद I just can pray for the good of everybody. Trust me. जो मेरे साथ recently हुआ, it was, I'm saying again and again, a very tough pill to swallow for me. अरे यार. Okay. So what I'm wearing is this top. It says I'm not lazy, I'm just on an energy saving mode. So I think it's quite spooky. थोड़ा सा hair brush कर लेंगे. Hair is not doing good today. This is my 3rd day washed hair. And which lipstick am I gonna put? I think I'm gonna go with some brown or beige kind of thing. Because I might go with this L'Oreal one, I might go with this Lakme one, this Maybelline Nude Nuance, but I think this is going to go better. This is a warm brick brown color from Mama Earth. It's in the shade Choco Truffle and it's an amazing shade. Trust me you guys, ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, so just try to remove the excess. फिलहाल मेरे lips में कुछ भी नहीं है, so I'm gonna put this. I'm looking into the mirror right now. This doe foot applicator is really nice. For the lipstick to apply smooth. See? I think it's gonna go really well with this outfit. So yeah, that's about it. This is my final look. A little dewy, a little pinky, a little brownish, going with my overall hair color, this outfit and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go run some errands. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for listening to all of the rant that I did. I hope to see you in the next video of mine. Bye bye. I'll see you next time. Love you guys.